You know you were baddie when you rock Tom Ford. You know you were baddie when you rock Tom Ford. You know you were baddie when you rock Tom Ford. Hi loves, welcome back to my channel. I'm back and I'm better. I'm back and I'm better. What? I say I'm back, and I'm better. If you guys are new to my channel today, I just want to say thank you so much for clicking on my video. My name is Edwina Dorbo, and welcome to Dwayne's World. If this is your first time clicking on my video today, I do fashion, beauty, lifestyle, and also I do weekly vlogs on my channel. Don't forget to go ahead and subscribe to my channel, turn your post notification bell on, and join the I'm back and better squad. You guys can also go ahead and check out all my social platforms. They're gonna be linked right here on the screen or in the description box below. Let's get right into the video. In today's video, I'm gonna be talking about the iconic, the luxury Tom Ford Padlock silver heels. I had to get my hands on these heels, okay? I'm gonna give you guys a backstory. So every year on my birthday, I get myself one luxury item. It doesn't even have to be luxury. I'll just say I get myself an expensive gift. The reason why I do this is because all throughout the entire year, there's 365 days in a year, obviously. On that one day, I find it to be so special for me. I am a sucker when it comes to my birthday. I love birthdays. And also, like throughout the year, I don't get myself anything, guys. I work so hard. I get a lot of packages from brands, whether it's perfume, makeup, hair, jewelry, shoes, bags, the list goes on. I don't pay for none of these things, and I want to tell God thank you so much because baby, I'm so thankful that I have this opportunity to do it. Don't get me wrong, it's hard work, and hard work does pay off, but whenever it comes to my birthday, I'm like, I just have to do something just because I don't spend on myself ever. Tom Ford is literally my favorite brand of all time. Of all these designer brands out there, they have me in a headlock, okay? I remember my first ever Tom Ford item I've ever owned in my entire life. It was not even mine. It was my mother. And for people out there, you know your first item, or you always take it from your mother, props to you. That's what mothers are for. They're here to buy the items and then you take it from them. Clap that. I remember taking this nice Tom Ford sunglasses to my mom, and up to this day she always asks me, where is my Tom Ford sunglasses? I'm like, I do not know, baby. I have the sunglasses right here in my closet, but whenever she comes to visit, guess what I'm gonna do? I hide it every single time. If you want to make my mother's dream come true and my dream come true, please work with me. I need to repay my mother back with her sunglasses and also repay her times 10 because she really got me in the game. Like, I didn't know anything about luxury sunglasses or like luxury items. My mom been that girl and will forever be that girl. I'm gonna be doing an unboxing and also to give you guys my honest review of these Tom Ford heels. These are my honest reviews. Somebody else might think the opposite, and if you want to go ahead and purchase, go ahead and do that. These are not my first Tom Ford Padlock heels. I own these in the black and gold pair. It is one of my favorite and most comfortable heels I've ever owned in my closet. Like, I'm not even joking. And when I went over to Saks and spoke with a salesman and I explained it to him, like, these are the most comfortable heels, and he was like, you're one of the lucky ones. I'm like, why? He said, because there's only 17% of people who actually find these shoes very comfortable and will wear it all night long, and I'm in that category. So Tom Ford, we're meant to be. We're meant to be. Like, I can wear these Tom Ford heels all day and all night and not even have one problem. They're so comfortable to me. Like, I can probably run in them at this point. So let's go ahead and unbox these Tom Ford heels in the silver padlock. This is the box that I got from Saks. Let me go ahead and open it up for you guys here. First off, Tom Ford does not play when it comes to packaging. Just by looking at this box right here, guys, this box is so cute. It's their staple piece and I love it, okay? Let's go ahead and open up this box so I can show you guys what's in here. So it comes wrapped like this. Open this for you guys. These shoes come with two bags 2 dust bags. This is the first dust bag right here. It's drawstring, and then the second dust bag is right here also. Go ahead and drawstring this. So once you travel or something and you don't want to take the box with you, or you don't want your shoes to be like scratched up or anything, you will go ahead and use these dust bags to put them in and travel with. This is the small dust bag that comes with the shoe screw. So you know how like your shoes might get uneven on the bottom and you want to switch it out? They have a couple of them in here. I think they have like 2. It comes with 2 in here also. These are the iconic padlock heels with the key charm. I'm so obsessed with this in the color silver. And these are neck turners, okay? When you wear these, everybody gonna be like, who is she? She's a baddie. You know you a baddie when you rock Tom Ford all night long. You know you a baddie when you rock Tom Ford. You know you a baddie when you rock Tom Ford. You know you a baddie when you rock Tom Ford. Let's talk comfort. On a scale from 1 to 10, I'll give these shoes a 9 out of 10. For me, they're more comfortable, they're narrow, I have smaller feet, and I can wear shoes that are arched only because of the fact that I used to be a flight attendant and I used to wear heels all the time. I would say with these heels right here, others will give it a 5 out of 10 or a 6 out of 10, 7 out of 10. Some people might say these shoes are not comfortable for them. They're not going to be able to dance in them all night. You can definitely go ahead and wear these shoes to dinner, take pictures in them, and take them off. Quality wise, I would say these shoes are nicely made. The black one that I own, the inside lifts a little bit, so I would say go ahead and get glue to glue the bottom after wearing it for a while. And then also one thing I would say is if you get these heels, go on Amazon and get the clear bottom thing to cover right here, because this whole area is gonna get scratched up if you wear it outside and like wear on concrete or anything. And if you don't want your shoes to be messed up, go ahead and get that clear bottom from Amazon to cover these up before you wear them. The silver on these shoes are very, very like, I won't say metallic, they're shiny, like you can see it from afar. It looks so good and so nice, and you can wear this with any outfit. And then also with the padlock, they're pretty heavy. They don't make any noise. They have the Tom Ford writing on the inside of the padlock, and then also the keys on the padlock. Now let's talk pricing. These shoes are pretty expensive, okay? These are luxury shoes, so they're gonna be expensive. These shoes originally, when I got the black one, it was ranging about $1,200 after taxes. This was like 2 years ago. Now these ones right here, they're ranging about $1,300 after taxes plus more. So almost $1,400, maybe because I got it at Saks. I think it's like 13 something, almost $1,400. Are they worth the hype? To me, I would say yes, even though it's so expensive. And if you're trying to build a collection for like luxury items, I know in this economy right now, it's gonna be crazy for you to do that. But if you're trying to build your luxury collection and your luxury shoes, these are one of the items that you should have in your closet building, okay? They're so nice and comfortable to me. And am I gonna regret getting these heels? I don't know, maybe. But I didn't regret having the first one, so I don't think I'm gonna regret having this one. There's no other shoes like the Tom Ford Padlock Heels. Like, you get what you pay for. If you're looking for a timeless look for heels, these are the perfect luxury timeless heels. I don't know how long they're gonna be in stock for. I know they're out for a little bit and then they get rid of them and bring something new. I would say go ahead and purchase it, and every single time you wear these, you're gonna be turning heads. And when you wear these shoes, you gotta go places where the people deserve to see them. You can't be wearing these type of shoes and going to the club. No, you need to be wearing these shoes going to like high-end events, high-end restaurants, high-end places that when people see like, ooh, I want her. Who is she? She's that girl, okay? So if you're debating if you should go ahead and get the Tom Ford Padlock silver heels, I would say definitely go ahead and purchase them. I'll give you 100% go ahead and purchase. I promise you, you're not gonna regret it. If somebody is buying this for you, definitely go ahead and purchase it. If you're getting this for your birthday, your graduation, all these important events comes once a year. My motto is money comes and money goes. you're gonna make it back. Now I'm gonna switch it over and show you guys the unboxing of the packaging and everything, and I hope you guys like this video.
Baby, what you wanna do? Shoot your shot cause I'm bulletproof.
Oh, listen, wait me back.
Baby, what you wanna do? I'm ready to pull up on you. I'm ready to do what I do. This type shit.
Thank you guys so much for watching my video today. I really enjoyed doing this unboxing. If you like this video, don't forget to go ahead and give it a thumbs up and share this video with your friends and families. Go ahead and drop a comment down below. Let's discuss if you're gonna go ahead and purchase this or if you're gonna go ahead and skip it if you think this is not comfortable. Let's chat about this. Let's chat it up, okay? I love you guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn your post notification bell on, and join the I'm Back and Better squad. You guys can also go ahead and check out all my social platforms. They're gonna be linked right here on the screen or in the description box below. Tom Ford, I love you so much. Please work with me. I want to go ahead and repay my mother on her sunglasses. So so much Tom Ford. And if you're a brand out there who want to go ahead and work with your girl, go ahead and check the description box below. My email is going to be in there, or it's also going to be in my bio. I work with all brands that relates to me, and if you're a luxury brand out there, go ahead and work with your girl too. Make sure you comment correct or do not come at all. I love you guys. Stay safe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.
I'm ready to do what I do.